Thank you, Mr. Green. Hi, boys and girls. How are you?